guys, good morning. Taking a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu currently down 8% this trading session. Quite the breakout yesterday. Yesterday was a very big day. Looks like they closed the market up 33% for Shiba Inu, and definitely shaving a few percent off of that this morning. It's the 15th of August. It's Monday. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and join us here. Excuse me. And you'll be updated. Turn on those notifications when we put out new videos. So what's going on here with Shiba Inu? So I had mentioned in a previous, it would be 2 videos ago, not yesterday's, the video before that, before we got this big breakout here on the chart. And I said, when the price was down here, there's a big move coming for Shiba Inu and keep your eye on it. And I said, if we do get that move, we are looking for an upper target, which is where my yellow horizontal line is at 15.19. The price should get to that level, and then we'll see what happens. So right now, the price is, we obviously broke above that yesterday quite a bit, and then now we're pulling back to it. So what's going on here? So ideally, we want to see the price find support there, and that'll give us that indication that the price could be doing one of these. It could be heading higher. So we got the breakout above our target, a pullback to it, as long as it finds support, would be very bullish, and then at some point, the next leg higher. That is scenario 1. Scenario 2 is, which could be playing out right now depending on the rest of the market, is we get a break above it and then the price closes below it and it turns it into resistance. That is also something that could play out. So you really want to keep your eye on 15.19 Shiba Inu. If the price does find support at 15.19, that could be, keywords is could be, an area to accumulate. I would rather accumulate here at 15.19 than up here at, 17.97. So if you missed buying Shiba down in here, or even lower down in here when all the markets were showing crazy bottom signals, we were talking about that too, then it could be an area to pick up some Shiba 15.19. It all depends on how the market acts around this price. I would expect that the price will find resistance there and actually trade below it and cool off a bit. I mean, you could even see a pullback to here, which would be 13.08, give or take. But if the price does start to show support there, it could just be a pause in what is to come of a bigger move to the upside. Let's jump in on a 3-minute chart and let's see what's going on here. And you'll see how the price is reacting at our 15.19 level. So you can see we got our break above that level. We turned that level into support, tried to rally, got pulled back, and look right here, support. So we have support number 2, we have support number 1. What you have to keep your eye out on is if this fades, then we're going to trade lower below our 15.19 level. So understand that buying up here definitely is a higher risk than it would be when you're buying down in these levels. The price is already up, 20 to 30%. So you're not getting necessarily the greatest discount. Now, if you think Shiba is going much, much higher long term, well, then these lower prices don't matter too much, but just know the price is up 20 to 30% higher than it was a couple days ago. So keep your eye on the scenario playing out that Shiba breaks below our 1519 level. We found support twice, and if this thing doesn't rally soon, we could be heading lower below this line, at least for the short term. That is not it's not a long term. I'm not saying this thing's going to collapse and that's it. Short term, though, we could be trading below that line and some consolidation before the price moves higher. So we could find support at 1519, or we could trade down into these levels, which would be like 13-ish, 1308, something like that. And we'll try to come back here with some more price targets, different areas of support and resistance, but we're going to keep an eye on today's trading action. So far, today's trading action, our candle is a lower high than yesterday. So we'll have to see if this thing is going to continue lower or not. So that's it. Quick video here on Shiba. Keep your eye on 1519. So far, it is support. That is a good sign, but many hours left in the trading session. And I think the price is going to be stuck around this level, you know, maybe a little bit below it, maybe a little bit above it for probably today and maybe longer, especially if the rest of the market is cooling off a little bit with a pullback. It's going to definitely weigh on Shiba Inu. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.